Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I am going to unbox our January box for you. So digging right in, January's theme was I'm a badass. So every month you get this little booklet that outlines all of the things you're getting, a little bit more about them, the maker, if there's any care instructions, stuff like that. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to show you was subscribers' favorite item, I think. We had multiple people say that this was their favorite item they've ever gotten from us. So it's this Swig water bottle. It says drink your effing water, and it has this gold lid that matches this gold confetti on the bottom. It's about 16 ounces, so it's a really good size. I use mine every day. So there's that. Alright, next up I'm going to show you guys this enamel pin that we got from Primitives by Kathy. So it says I woke up like this. So cute. So it's like a rose gold metal around the edge, and then the font is that same rose gold, and then there's a little pink heart at the bottom. So that's really cute, and there's the back. Alright, also from Primitives by Kathy, we got these. It's a set of two drink sleeves. I already kind of took mine apart, but this one says Freaky Majestic. And then this one is a unicorn. So you can use them on your drinks, you can also wear them, but they're really cute and they're really stretchy, so they fit over any beverage container that I've tried to put mine on. Okay, next up we have this ribbon. This is from Adulting for the Win. It's so cute. It says badass bitch, because we all deserve to be recognized, am I right? But it has this adhesive on the back, so you can stick it to a package, you can stick it to yourself, you can gift it, but I'm keeping mine. I put it up by my display prints. Okay, next up I have this body scrub from Doc Spartan. So Doc Spartan is a veteran-owned company. They make amazing bath and body products. We chose this body scrub because we thought it was the most usable product for everybody, but I also have a face scrub from them that I really love. I use it every day. So look how huge this is. It's massive. So this body scrub though has this really nice scent, but it's also really subtle, so it's not going to be overpowering when you're using all of your other scented products. So it's really nice, and it leaves your skin feeling so soft. Okay, the last item from the box is kind of big. So let's see if I can show you guys. It's an apron. So it has blue strings or straps, and it says, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. And there's this big pocket. Another thing that I really like about it is it's a thinner material, so it's not gonna be stiff and getting in your way when you're cooking. So that's that. And then if you subscribe to the shirt only, or if you get the big box, you get all the items and the t-shirt. But this month's t-shirt design says Slay All Day. So it's this gray t-shirt. So they're so soft. And then the print is kind of like almost like a mustard yellow, but it's really cute. So I will share the links. We have a couple more January boxes available and a couple of the shirts. So I will post those links if you guys want to get one before they sell out. Thanks.